Now I'm going to run some tests on it and put this screw all the way into this wood. Wow, that's awesome. This is a real working sonic screwdriver. It's real and it works. Oh wow. Wow. I gotta get video of this thing. Gotta get a camera. What the heck? Am I locked out? I wonder. Does it unlock doors too? No, that's not the right frequency. Okay, got my camera. My good old iPod Touch. What the heck? You gotta be kidding! This locks from the inside! I am inside! Come on! Okay. Alright.